Hello everyone. Let's see how to use role template with tools. I have already have the source code in my system and I have a URL to this in my GitHub repo. So let's start by looking at the role.trl file. Here, what there is a really simple role template, and I have only used a simple variable here called role name. You could make it as complex as you need, but I'm doing for the sake of the video. I will just make it as simple as possible. And there are it is expecting two data objects. One is a data and one another is a customer data object. So let's see how I did this framework. So when the application starts, all the template file has to be processed and rules have to be put. So what I did is I used the application run. I implemented the code to work in in a class which implements application runner. So when the whole application starts up, the rules also this class also will run along with it. Or you could do one other way of doing this could be with a configuration class, extending the using the configuration annotation. So let's take a look at the two models that we have used here. One is customer, a very basic object class, a very basic class. In data, that's another basic class. And let's see how the code goes. So when the application starts up, it will create an it will call the create an object of the key session class and call the build key session method inside it. So if we go to the build key session, first we are trying to apply in the role template. So to apply the role template, the code is given here. So this is the value of the this is the name of the variable used in the template, and this is the value that we are using. And basically here what we are passing is as a map of string, and this returns the whole DRL file as a string. If you draw this value, you could see the bunch of string replaced the word the role name is replaced by the role one. So once we have this, we will build the key session. So if you have to set a lot of so in case you have to pull data from DB, you can pull all the data from DB and put it from here and build the rows, multiple rows you can do here. So after getting the USDR, we build the key session. The this method is used to build the key session. So once we have the key session, what we have to do is write a controller. So what I have used here is a really simple controller, which is the get method, and there will be data for the data for the model set from here itself, and we fire the rules with the resource from the service class. So so if you take a look at the service class, we are getting an object of the services and creating a key, key container and inserting the object into the key session and firing all the rows. As simple as that. So if you run the application now, we are getting the result. Also on the when you are using this symbol, make sure that your form.xml contains the following dependencies. I use Lambda here because it makes it code a lot more cleaner. And but make sure you have these three dependencies and it's always make sure. Make sure you have these three of them. And the application is started, and let's see, let's try it out. See, we are getting the response, and this is how you use the whole templates with Pro. I will upload the application to the my GitHub repository and share this code with you. Bye bye.